Boy, am I stupid. I tried to burn this because this SSD would not fit in the slot. Oh, I tried to burn the feelers off of it and watch it squirm. Oh, I hope I didn't break the computer. Yeah, look, I I I tried to burn. Boy, am I stupid. I tried to burn this because it wouldn't fit in that, it wouldn't fit in here. So I thought I would burn it off, probably destroyed the SSD. And then I broke those off there to try to fit it. Oh, shit. Oh, man, what did I do? I should have just left it well enough alone. I tried to go ahead and use mini partition tool. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh my God. Oh. Shit. I tried to clone the hard drive. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh. Oh, well. Well, let's put the old hard drive in it, and SSD didn't work out. I think I destroyed the SSD too. Yeah. I tried. Yeah, that's what I get for trying. Yeah. Tried to burn it. Oh well. Oh well. I don't know if this SSD works anymore. Let's see. Get this here. Like this. See, I tried to burn it to make it fit, but I think I fried it. Oh, what a waste of space. Trivial times. Well, hopefully I didn't jack off the computer. Well, ah, ah, ah. Hello, McFly. Oh, shit. Why did I do that? Oh, my God. Oh, why? Well, gee willikers, Batman. After the burnt SSD, working. It's working. It's burnt, but it's working. And the other hard drive is working. So I'm going to put the other hard drive, the old hard drive, back in the laptop, and maybe I'll actually save Christmas. Kris Kringle, you know. Maybe I'll actually save Christmas. Let's put it in there and fire it up and see if I cummed up a storm or if I'm successful in my observation. Please work, please. Please work. Oh God. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. Oh God, please work. Oh shit. Please work. And we'll see if it works. And then all right. It works. It still works. I had to here. I'll be right back. Let me show you what I did, but I got it to post. I thought I had committed Harry Carey. I thought Harry Carey was so mad at me that he spanked me up and down the room with his fist. And I had to smile the whole time while clenching my nuts with my hand. Basically, that's how flabbergasted and retarded and upset I was. But let me show you what I did. I'll be right back. Okay, so all I did was I took the screwdriver and I pushed the pins down so they made contact with the drive. That's all I had to do. But yeah. So that's all I had to do. Just push the pins down so they made contact with the drive. Over here, I put the burnt SSD. It's all burnt and charred and stuff. I'll get the camera in there. It's all burnt and charred. I took the burnt SSD. Get it? There we go. Focus on that. And I put the burnt SSD back in there. And now I got to. I left my mark. I left my mark. It's like I left my mark on society. These are my computers because they've got something jacked up about each and every one of them. They're special to my heart because they're jacked up in some sort of form or way. This one has missing cover, and this one has a burnt SSD. So, you know, I marked my my hardware. I'm not going to cry about it. I mean, why cry over spilt milk? You know, I'm not a toddler. I'm a grown ass man. I can live with it. All right. Thank you. Have a nice night. And remember, I love you. I love you. Unfortunately, this SSD did not survive. It was destroyed. It didn't withstand the flames and the fire. Let's have a moment of silence and listen to the music in its honor.